This visual explainer turns UE5 Transform into a small set of reliable decisions. We will read location, rotation, and scale, connect them to the move, rotate, and scale tools, and use snapping and a few shortcuts to keep a level clean. The screenshots are prepared editor states, not a live operation recording. Every placed actor needs 3 answers. Location asks where it is. Rotation asks which way it faces. Scale asks how large it is relative to the source. UE5 expresses each answer on the X, Y, and Z axes. Read the numbers in the Details panel when visual placement alone is not precise enough. The Move tool uses the W shortcut. Drag a single colored axis when the object should move in only one direction, or use a planar handle when 2 axes may change together. Red is X, green is Y, and blue is Z. For level blockouts, controlled axis movement is usually easier to correct than free dragging. The Rotate tool uses the E shortcut. Its colored rings rotate around X, Y, or Z. For a floor object, Z rotation often changes the direction it faces while keeping it upright. Rotation snapping is useful when objects should align to predictable angles such as 15, 30, 45, or 90 degrees. The Scale tool uses the R shortcut. Uniform scale keeps the proportions of the source. Axis scale stretches only one direction, which can turn one cube into a floor, wall, platform, or pillar. Avoid extreme scale when collision, materials, or lighting begin to look wrong. A better-sized asset may be the cleaner solution. Grid snapping limits location to regular increments. A small value supports detail, a larger value supports fast blockout. Rotation snapping keeps angles consistent. Surface snapping and the end key can help place an actor onto a surface, but always verify the result from another view because collision and pivots can affect where it lands. Press F to focus the selected actor. Use Ctrl-D to duplicate a placed actor, then move the copy along a controlled axis. Use Ctrl-Z when an edit is wrong, and End when you want to try dropping the selection to a surface. These shortcuts are useful because they keep the edit loop short and reversible. Before moving on, ask whether the actor is on the intended axis, aligned to the grid, facing the correct direction, and using a sensible scale. Then check the object from a second angle and confirm its collision in play mode when that matters. Next, we will use these same checks to diagnose unfair jumps and confusing routes.